More outrage and cries for an end to gang conflict, which is believed responsible for the shooting death of a 6-year-old boy in Farm, Clarendon early Friday morning. While the boy's mother struggles to recover in hospital, residents are trying to make sense of the tragedy, which they say has taken another promising youngster. TVJ's Krista Campbell reports.
Signs of another violent incident in a community which has seen its share of crime over the years. 6-year-old Timothy Basaraj is the latest casualty of what police say is an ongoing gang feud in Farm, Clarendon. Shortly after 6 Friday morning, gunmen with high-powered weapons opened fire at this house. Timothy was asleep in bed with his mother. The two were shot. Residents called the police, who rushed the mother and son to hospital, where Timothy was pronounced dead. His mother was admitted and later transferred to another hospital, where doctors are said to be working to save her badly fractured hand. A day after the incident, residents grieve openly, mostly at the loss of another promising youngster. His last report card bears testament. The principal of the basic school little Timothy recently graduated from has been his sponsor under the James and Friends education program operating out of Clarendon.
The mother did not have to do nothing to the child, more dress him in the morning and send him to school. Send him to us in the days. We provide everything else for Timothy Basaraj. Every trip, Timothy was my handbag. I took him to trips with me, take him back home safely to his parents.
And Timothy was not the only promising one. TVJ News understands his mother should be starting university next week under the same education program which had granted Timothy a scholarship to the Hastings Academy.
This was a school that we chose to put Timothy in, very close to where I teach too, because I said I want to follow him from basic to primary to high school to tertiary. That was the plan I have inside of me for little Timothy Basaraj.
And me I say, God, me sick and me have to still take fasting and prayer. Me have to hungry sometime. And me I pray Jesus and I beg you to stop all these things we're going on over the whole country. All boot, and God is still going on. What must I tell you? Say, what must I pray for? You know me, I say, God, you make it, you are your people them, and you make them a come and a kill them, and just gone. So, and you can't make them stand up. You can't make them stand up. That's the NCR.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.